try standing right here.
What's going on, idiot chasers?
What's going on, dub chasers? Today in this video we are installing eBay Mudflaps on the Mk7 GTI. So sit back, relax,
What's up, fat idiots?
enjoy the install. So, as we can see here, Vincent wanted to get some mudflaps for the Mk7 because, you know, living in Chicago, a lot of rocks, snow, salt, just a bunch of crap you can fling up.
Death.
And he opted, apparently he saw these on a Mk7R before he got his car, and he really liked the look of them. You got them off of eBay, right?
Yep.
eBay.
From our boy Race Speed.
From Race Speed. How much were they?
Like $29, $24.
For all four?
Yup.
And to give you some perspective, how much were
what's it called? Rally armors are $150, I think.
$150, and then did you look at rock?
I think they're like $100.
Okay. So pretty easy. Oh, you're measuring right now.
Yeah, dummy, go get the other set.
Where are they?
Guacamole.
What are they made out of?
Same. It seems they say it's the same material as rally armors, but they seem a little bit more stiffer than how rubbery rally armors seem. So I'm guessing it's more of a plastic base than how rally armors is so much polyurethane.
Okay. So good cheap option if you need mud flaps, and install hopefully shouldn't take too long. But these, if I'm correct, they didn't come with a hardware set like kit,
nope.
did they?
They
so
just came with the flaps.
Just the flaps, so you have to go out and buy. What all did you have to buy?
We're getting to that.
Okay.
With just these two holes, using the two Torx bolts, I don't know. I feel like just the two Torx bolts won't be enough. So we're gonna add a third hole that's just in the fender wall.
You're just gonna drill into the fender wall?
Yeah, it's just plastic, and we're just gonna use a bolt for it.
Okay. So,
yeah.
as you can tell by these ones, but not these ones, they don't come pre-drilled. So that's what Vincent's been doing right now. He already pre-fit one up yesterday, so he's basically just mimicking the holes on that one, on the other driver one, and then do the same on the passenger ones.
So see how this whole section is just locked?
Yeah.
So I'm thinking of just going whoop.
Yeah.
Just pressing in with a bolt.
Yeah, that works. Just drill right through it.
Yeah, no, I gotta figure out where I want it.
So is that part of the hardware that?
That's what I went and bought.
Yeah.
The poor lady at Home Depot, dude, was so confused.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, when I pull up with all this.
Oh, did you take the mud flaps?
No. I took some like spare bolts that I had laying around, like another T30 or T25 that holds in that would hold in like a fender wall or something.
Yeah.
So I was test fitting just a bunch of washers with them, because I got washers for those too, so it's not just that. But there was the one thing that I had that doesn't come pre-packaged. So let's get rid of them. Got some extra bolts just in case, you know, you can never be too safe.
Yep.
Got, you know, some washers. But then I had all of these.
Oh my god, that's what you brought?
Yeah, so I brought that up to the counter, and this poor lady had to count through them. There's only 16 of them, but like, it's still tough, you know? I have enough hardware too if we wanted to, in the event, use 2 bolts instead of just one, but I think one will be
one
enough.
will be plenty. Maybe like, well, you need to get the most.
Something is, I'm just thinking like 2 inches in, 2 inches down.
Yeah, that works. Oh, you're gonna probably need the marker.
Well, no. I'm a god, Matthew, remember?
Okay.
But so this bolt is I got washers for them, and I got bolts for them. Plastic one, whatever.
So, pro mechanic tip by Vincent. What did you just do?
When you need to test fit what bolt you're using, just get like some Tupperware or something and just start drilling holes and make sure you get the right hole, you know?
Where'd you learn that from?
Myself. Ta-da.
Ta-da. So, got the first ones mounted up pretty nice. So basically what he did, this is light, is the old bolt and nut strategy. Bolt, and then there's a nut on the back side. They just tighten down so that way this part wouldn't flap so much. It's a little more secured. But we made an important discovery. Vince didn't do any measurement checkings. Since his car's on lowering springs, we don't think that it's gonna clear. So what do you want to do about that?
We're gonna leave it.
Okay.
We already drilled for the front, so.
All right.
We run it.
We're gonna run it, and I guess we'll see the final result.
We run it.
Oh boy. All right. Passenger side. Oh, I am zoomed in.
What are you doing, stupid?
Passenger side is in. Quick and easy.
Once we get the, once you line it up.
Yeah, but still don't know if they're gonna clear.
Oh, now I'm looking at it, they're definitely not gonna clear.
Yeah, I don't think they're gonna clear.
Your mom's not gonna clear it.
Are these just like reflexes now for you?
Yeah. You got a problem with that?
Your mom has a problem with it.
Okay, what were you thinking?
So, get one.
Don't
And
tell me what to do.
We'll see.
Rude.
So now try to line it up.
Boom, boom.
Where are you gonna put the bolt through?
Just.
Okay.
Why? What were you thinking?
So line it up, but don't press, like put any pressure. Hole through here,
Okay.
and then hole through on the other side, and then zip tie it through.
I mean, I guess. Like, I feel like that looks kind of jank.
I mean, you're not gonna see it behind the wheel.
I mean, yeah, you're right.
I mean, you're the mechanic. Whichever is gonna be better for you, and it's your car.
Yeah.
But like, if you I guess you could. You might be able to put a bolt through it at that angle, maybe.
Possibly.
So based on what you just told me,
You're gonna look decent.
your car is gonna be like a 50-foot car.
A 50-foot car? What does that even mean?
That means like it looks great from 50 feet away.
Oh, hell yeah! You should see it from 200. Like shit. Them motherfuckers gonna be looking nice. Yeah, and we eyeball everything here.
In Dub Chaser's garage.
Well, like we pretty close to everything gets eyeballed.
I mean, you used the tape measure for.
Yeah, like a little bit.
for
Yeah, but that was
fronts.
just for like lining. It wasn't like measurement.
Ah.
Stay. I said stay.
What are you gonna do? Just force it?
Yeah. If I can get a spot. Easy.
That works.
Looks like a hole to me, brother.
And now you'll be able to get a.
Yep. We'll be able
Bolt
to get a
back there?
bolt through. But now I want to take this off so I can mirror them on the other side. Or on the other thingy. Eh. Can't see. Oh my god, these ones are so much more difficult because you can't see them lining up. Huzzah! Cool. On to the last one. Well, not yet. I gotta put this stuff.
Nice. All right. Just finished up the rear passenger. So now they are all on. Let's see if we can get the. No, jack's in the way. But now wheels gotta go back on, and we'll see if they're high enough. Also, Vince got new winter tires. They look very nice, and he gets more grip now. Finally.
Da.
torquing down the lug nuts. Go where it's more well lit. You can see it's not all the way down yet. Still supported by the jack. And we have a lot of room to go up here. And some room to go down there. It's a little dark, but yeah.
Yes!
So it's a little lopsided right now.
So it'll come up. It should raise a tad bit up.
Yeah, it'll come up once the other side's off the jack stand. But I'm talking like less than an inch.
Once we get it all the way down and we get it reset, we'll take a measurement and we'll see. Oh my god.
And the rears or the fronts are definitely a lot lower than the rears. The rears you have like a solid inch and a half even, maybe even 2. You got so lucky.
Nuh-uh, it's called skill, idiot. Your mom would know about it.
Look in the camera and say that again.
No, I can't.
Moment of truth time. Oh no. Oh no. They're on the ground.
Hey, on the bright side though, they're evenly on the ground.
They're on the ground. Give me your magnet light.
I don't know where it went. You moved it. Oh wait, no. Did I move it? I don't know. It's down water.
Oh god. This is why you measure the height of them beforehand.
Nah, it's gonna work.
The rears are fine. Yeah, rears are fine.
Oh, yeah, the rears are definitely fine.
But the fronts.
But the front though. Front's gonna have some scrape.
Well, that's gonna be it for this install. I mean, do you have any really final thoughts?
As for now, no.
Yeah.
They do what they do.
They do what they do. They're mud flaps. Don't really need to say much about them.
Yeah, true.
But $30 versus $150. I mean, if you really don't care about name brand stuff, this is probably the better way to go. They still do the same thing. Just as long as you're fine with getting your own hardware and drilling your own holes. But yeah, that's gonna be it. If you liked the install, liked the video, go ahead and give it a like. Subscribe if you want to see more content on the Mark 7 and the Mark 6 and the Mark 7.5 now. Forgot about Tyler's car. Yeah, we will see you guys in the next one. So this is us going for a little test drive after we finished everything. This is the noise from them scraping.
And it's going right back into the garage.
So you're gonna raise them? Yeah, good call.